All right, I'm gonna make some apple juice. These are all cut and cleaned. 5 gallons worth, and this is how I do it. And then I just siphon it out after. So I grab my apples, I put them in here. And I take my electric drill and I put it battery operated drill. And this is how I do it. Now, you could put it up. You could get an apple pulverizer, which I have, and then you need to put it through the apple machine. And then you need a press, and I don't have a press any longer, so I just do it this way. And it works, fairly good. I don't have an issue with it. It works. Okay, so here you get the juice. Here I got my container that I'm dumping the juice into it. And this is the mush that I have a bucket here waiting to put the mush in. And no big deal, right? It works good. And let's get back to it here. Let me take out this apple sauce, really, apple sauce, and I'll have a bunch of it. Very good. Yeah, it's works out pretty good. I'll probably end up getting about 5 gallons of apple juice for the year. It's good enough for me. And I'll put it in quart jars and I'll boil it in a hot water bath. That way it'll keep, for many months. I got stuff from 2 years ago, guys. Beautiful. Working great. Working great. This goes into the compost pile later. Very nice, very nice compost. Oh, great. Time for a battery. Time for a battery, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Give me a second. I already got one charging. Alrighty. right, guys, get back to you in a few minutes.